Oh, yeah, hello. This is my truck science experiment, episode 1, season 1. Anyway, this is I'm testing how well this truck, or both trucks. Anyway, this truck can balance on this tripwire.
Hey, Chuck.
Huh? Hey, hold on, kid.
Chuck!
Hey, what?
Oh, Chuck!
So what did you... sorry for our last video. Hey, what? But we have a fresh start and we are watering blackberries. Bushes.
Chuck, listen to me. Stop it, Chuck. Never mind.
So 3, we are seeing if I can throw a tennis ball farther or a water balloon. Let's try. Now, the water balloon.
What the heck was that? Who could it have been?
Our conclusion was they both go the same far. Hey, thanks for watching Truck Science. Today's science experiment is my weather machine, which says it is 100% rain today. As you can see, 100% rain. So take your umbrellas out. If you ever go outside, you'll want to take an umbrella. Like this one. Mine's cooler than yours, but anyway, you want to take an umbrella out.
It's not gonna rain, Chuck. There's no clouds. What the heck, Chuck?
Yes, it is.
Not gonna rain.
Yes, it is.
Clouds! Why?
Today's experiment is I'm seeing how far I can shoot with this water gun. So let's do it. 3, 2.
Wait, no, Chuck! Ah! God.
We're testing how fast this water will go down from this high tower. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1.
What are you doing, Chuck?
I'm okay. I'll see you in the next video.